Hello class. So today we are going to start with the economics chapter number first, that is development. So here the introduction is there. Okay, development. Now what is we think development? Okay, we think about development that the roads, schools, bridges they have developed, and okay, and like this we are developing. Okay, when these things are developing we think that we are also developing, but development basically is an idea. Okay, it is a idea. We are giving ideas na, that this should be developed, this should be there, that should be there. So all this is an idea. Okay, everybody has different idea for development. So everybody, you can say, they are having different ideas for development. Some think that if everybody is educated then it's development. Some think that if everybody is having their own house or their own business then there is development. Okay, so development is nothing but an idea. It's just an idea only. So development, it's an idea. Okay, idea, it can be about country and it can be individually. Okay, the idea, it can be the for country also, how to develop a country. It can be individually also, that how to develop individually. Then in country where there will be no poverty and problem, some will think that when there will be no poverty or any problem will be not there, any disputes will be not there among the countries, then the country will be developed. Okay, when army is powerful, having good quality arms. Okay, some will think that when we are having the good quality army, okay, means when our army is powerful, they are having proper arms, good quality arms to fight to, okay, so then it is developed country. And individually, some will think that well educated people are developed, and some will think that those who are having good business, okay, those who are earning good, they are well developed. Okay, so what development promises? What development promises? Different people, different goals. So what it promises, that different people are having different goals. Everybody in their life are having some goals. Okay, they want to achieve that goal. So everybody is having different goals. So everybody, according to the goals, they will be having their own ideas to develop. So idea of development vary from person to person. For every person you will see that the ideas are different. Okay, everybody will be having some different ideas. In society there are different people, like you can say some are farmers, some are businessmen, some are tribals. Okay, so for farmer, what is development? That when there is better irrigation facilities, good price for his crops, when he gets good price for his crops, so that is development. Okay, so for businessmen, you can say tax benefits are there. Okay, when electricity supplies continues, so any industrialist is there. Okay, so industries are running with the help of electricity, when there be continuous electricity supply, so that is development. Okay, then tribals banning the construction work in this area. See, tribals, they are living in like jungles. Okay, so here you can say dams are constructed or something, so banning this construction work in their area. Okay, that is development, because they have to displace means when their construction work is going on in their area, what happens, they have to move from one place to another. Okay, so they have to displace, so when it will be banned, that is development. So you can say different category peoples are having different ideas for development. Then notion for development is different for different people. So the idea of development is different for different people. What may be development for one may not be development for others. See, here we see that even dams are developed. Okay, you can see the example of tribal people. Okay, you can see when dams are made, they are constructed. Okay, means we are developing a country. Okay, but it is not development for tribal people. So that only they are saying here, that the development what is for one, it is not for others, it is not for all. Okay, it may even be destructive for others, it can be a cause of destruction for others. Like here you can say the destruction is going on. Okay, they have to change their places, so like this it can be destructive for other people. Then you can say, okay, income and other goals. Now we are having some income and other goals also. Are the goals limited to income? What we say, if you can say one example. Okay, so if we are having example, we are working in a company or we are working anywhere. Okay, we are having any profession, we are working anywhere, so what you will see, that you are getting handsome salary there. Okay, but what is there, the facilities are not available there. Okay, the facilities are not there, you are not safe there. So will you be working there? No. Okay, so that only they are asking, that only the goals they are limited to income. Goals other than income, we are having some other goals also that are other than income. Income is not the only thing that matters. Okay, some other goals are also there, that is equal treatment. Everybody should get equal treatment, whether he is a junior or senior or whatever he is. Okay, so he should get equal treatment in that profession. Freedom should be there. Okay, freedom to speak, means discrimination should not be there, that he is senior, he is junior, he is having much knowledge, he is not having much knowledge, he is rich, he is poor. So this type of, he is man, woman, so this type of freedom should be there, discrimination should be not there. Then security should be there. Okay, security means you are feeling safe there in that job, you are feeling safe. So these are also some of the goals that are other than income. Okay, when these things are also there, then only we can work in that profession, or you can say in that company or anywhere where you are working. Okay, so they cannot be measured, but they mean a lot in our lives. These things cannot be measured as we can measure the income now. So these things cannot be measured, but they mean a lot in our lives. Example, what would you see before accepting a job? Okay, means what we are seeing, what we want for before a job. For development, people look at a mix of goals. So what we want before a job, we want all these things. Equal treatment should be there, freedom should be there, security should be there. Okay, and for development, what happens, people look at the mix of goals. So this is the mixture of goal. Gender discrimination should not be there. People should not think that here the women are there, women should get this work, these men are there, men should get this work. So this thing should not be there. This type of discrimination should not be there. Now national development, nation. When is the nation developed? When group of individuals, okay, when individuals they seek different goals, then their notion of nation development is likely to be different. When individuals they are having different goals, then their idea of national development is also different. Okay, so you can say then how to decide what is best. Okay, how we can come to know that what is best for a country. For example, you can say people, those who are living in Punjab, some in Haryana, some in other country, so whatever problems they are facing according to their states, okay, or you can say Indians, what Indians are facing according to their own, everybody will be having different ideas. Okay, everybody will be thinking that this thing should happen, then the nation should develop, this thing should be there, then the nation will be developed. Okay, so how to decide what is best? Okay, that is, you can say Gurmi Bentham, he is a philosopher. What he told, greatest benefit to the greatest people at the cost of minimum people. So what do you say? See, we can have a, here also we can have example of tribal people. Okay, so for according to tribal people, what is there, that when dams are constructed, okay, when dams are constructed, it is destruction for them, it is not development, but it is benefit for more of the people. Okay, it is, you can say, benefit for the majority of the people. So what is a benefit for greatest people, means the majority of people. Okay, it can be for the cost of minimum people, that thing is the development. So when we are thinking that majority of the people are getting benefit with this thing, so that is known as development, that is development for all. Okay, so now we are going to have the chapter till here. Okay, so I hope that this much chapter is clear to you. So have a revision till here, beta. So next we will be meeting in the next video with the next topic. So till then, have a nice day, have a good day. Thank you.